My name is Dipen Shah and I have recently passed the SQE assessments on my first attempt with QLTS School. I am a qualified lawyer in India and I have been practicing in High Court since over 18 years. My practice has been broadly from admiralty, corporate litigation under Companies Act to tax. Presently, I am increasingly engaged as arbitration lawyer in construction and oil and gas disputes. I wanted to take solicitor's qualifying examination to be qualified as solicitor in England and Wales. English law is the preferred choice of governing law in international arbitration, and having a firm grip of principles of common law is the required foundation in the practice of international arbitration. The solicitor's qualifying examination is a more difficult exam than its predecessor. QLTS School has many years of experience in providing training for such professional exams. Having compared the course material and study methodology with two other leading course providers, I discovered that QLTS not only provides the most exhaustive study material, but the subject-wise practice questions are tailored to train the candidates to think like solicitors in real world. The course designed by QLTS School adapts to suit one's style of study. From videos which are a great revision tool to a very exhaustive discussion of topics in the textbook, and flashcards enable quick and efficient revision of the subjects. The practice questions are closest to real examination and are aimed to train candidates to think like a solicitor. A large question bank ensures that speed and accuracy are developed over time. Firstly, the course is exhaustive in discussion of topics so that you will not have missed out any concept or principle. Secondly, a large question bank provides sufficient practice in applying theory to facts. And thirdly, the course has a number of revision tools like flashcards, summary notes, revision notes, and video tutorials. All these tools ensure efficient revision of the material in shortest possible time. I studied for 5 hours every day for 6 months and tried to spend more time on weekends. I read around 30 pages of textbook every day and allocated more time to revision. I practiced 30 practice questions a day in an open book format. This ensured that I get a chance to revisit the textbook again and learn the legal concept in the context of facts of the question. So practice questions not only equip me with the skill to think like an examiner, but also helped me with extended revision of the subject even when I had completed my first reading long ago. I felt extremely confident in the exam hall. While practice question develops the answering skill, mocks represent the exact replica of real exam. English law is the chosen system of governing law in international arbitrations. Knowledge derived from studying for SQE helped me transition into cross-border practice of arbitration and has improved reasoning ability in the practice of law. The solicitor's qualifying examination is not an easy exam. It requires a professional approach and a help from a trained provider who has years of experience training candidates. I think QLTS School has this distinction. My advice is to start preparation at least 6 to 8 months in advance to the exam date. I recommend thorough reading of textbooks, solving all practice questions, and at least 5 mocks. It is important to revise the highlighted portion in the textbook and weak areas at least 3 to 4 times before the exam. The ability to quickly identify legal principles and applying it to facts is the key. This course not only delivers full knowledge of law, but also develops the analytical skills to deliver performance as a solicitor from day one. This is because it challenges you throughout the course to develop the skills at par with a seasoned solicitor.